Hi friends, how are you? Today we will set up Sonotype Nexus repository. What is Nexus repository? Nexus repository used to store project artifacts and dependencies. We can store these things, and it is also called a remote repository. So let's start setup. Let's start Nexus setup. Launch instances. Nexus repo. I am taking Amazon Linux here. Amazon Linux 2. And for Nexus setup, T2.micro will not work because it is one CPU and 1 GB memory, and I want to go with T2.medium. T2.medium. Let's type here T2.medium. Yeah, see, I am taking T2.medium with 2 CPUs and 4 GB memory. Okay. Next, I am creating a new key pair. Nexus key. Create key pair. Now launch instance. Okay. Next, view all instances. Okay. Copy the public IP. Go to mobile system software. Click on sessions. SSH. Public IP here. Username is EC2-user. Advanced SSH settings. Use private key. Click here. Nexus key. Okay. Click on open. Click on OK. Accept. Execute the first command sudo yum update -y. Okay. So next command is install Amazon Corretto 17. So here I am installing Amazon Corretto 17 for installing Java. Okay. Java 17 I am installing. Copy this command. Run. So Java 17 is installed, guys. Let's check the version of the Java -version. So Java 17, open JDK, Java 17 is installed. Okay. Next we are going to create one directory, and we will store all the Nexus files in the particular directory called app. So I am creating app directory. Okay. I created the app directory and also change directory also I have done it. Right now I am in app directory. If you want, you can check like this pwd. So right now I'm in app directory. Okay. Next, we will download the latest Nexus 3 file. Okay. The command here is this one. We will download the Nexus latest file. Enter. Right now the file is getting downloaded. Let's check the file ls. So Nexus file is downloaded. So what is the next step? We need to extract the file. Okay. The command here is sudo tar -xvf nexus.tar.gz. Okay. Now it is extracting the Nexus files. ls. So after extracting we have two files, Nexus and sonotype work. Okay, next we will change the Nexus file to Nexus-3 file to only Nexus. Okay, I am renaming the file. So I am changing this file to Nexus. Okay, ls. So the file I rename it to Nexus. Okay. Next, create a new user called Nexus. I am creating one user called Nexus. So I am creating one user called Nexus. Okay. Next, and I'm changing the ownership of that Nexus, the directory to Nexus. Right now I'm changing the ownership to Nexus, and similarly we will change the ownership for sonotype work also. Okay. Okay, right now I changed the ownership to Nexus directory and also to the sonotype directory also. Okay. Next to open this file named nexus.rc. Okay, here you need to go into insert mode and remove the you need to uncomment that one. Okay, uncomment it and give the Nexus user here. Okay, save and exit. Okay, next we need to start the Nexus. Okay, to start the Nexus we need to execute this command. I am starting the Nexus service here. Okay, starting Nexus. Okay, you can check the status of the Nexus service like this. So Nexus is running. Okay, next we need to, so Nexus will run on the default port number is 8081. So go to AWS console and go to security, click on security groups, edit inbound rules, add rule, 8081. Okay, anywhere. Okay, save rules. Go to EC2, copy the public IP here and go to browser :8081. Okay, now our sonotype Nexus. Yes, now we can log into sonotype Nexus. Go to sign in, give admin. Admin is the default user and you need to go to password, right? For getting the admin password we have to run this command. Let me show you. You have to run this command for getting the password, admin password. Okay, now copy this password, give the password here. Okay, click on sign in. Incorrect password. Let's copy this one. Okay, go here sudo, we have to give cat command and copy the path. Now you will get the password. Okay, give the password here. Okay, click on sign in. Now you are able to log in. Okay, click next. You can change the password here. New password, admin I am giving same, and also admin I am giving the password also. See, enable anonymous access. If you click on this one, no, anyone can log in without any password. If you want, when you are login, it should ask for password. Then you have to put disable anonymous access. Okay, finish. This is your. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.